Hi everyone, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Vijay and welcome to my channel. And if you have already seen me before, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you after a long time. So on this channel, I make few projects that includes upcycling, DIY, home decor or refurbishing projects. So if you are interested in the same, please don't forget to watch the other videos on this channel. You will definitely love it. And let's get started with today's video. So today's video is about finding some high-end decors at thrift stores. So I visited quite a few thrift stores in last couple of days, and I was doing a lot of research on home decor projects that I can actually make from the thrifted projects. So in my thrift store trip, I could find many projects or many things that is still available on some really high-end decor website, and they sell it for like a couple of $100. So why not to buy it from thrift store and do a little bit of paint job or a little bit of DIY to that and make it on your own. So I hope you will enjoy today's video, and let's get started. So in the first part of the video, you will see me visiting Value Village. I was there after a long time. I was on a vacation and was having fun with my family. So I'm back again. I'm glad to be back, and I'm so much energized when I'm back from the vacation, and I want to do a lot of thrifting and a lot of DIYs. I have so much in my mind. So here I am at the thrift store. The first I visited Value Village yesterday, and then I'm gonna be doing Solution Army today, because there's one specific Solution Army thrift store that I know that has a good home decor stuff. So I'm hoping to find so much more here, but on the first part you will see me visiting Value Village, and in the second I'm gonna be showing you Salvation Army. I think it's the same that I visited in the Christmas. So I hope you will enjoy, and let's get started. Perfect. So this is the Value Village that I usually go to for my thrifting. It has a houseware section, furniture section, but 70% of the part of this store is covered with the lifestyle items for clothing and some home essentials like curtains, pillows. And the houseware section is also filled up with pots, vases, books, furniture. It's a different type of section that it's so fun to visit. On my first aisle, I could find this flat Japanese vase for like $15, 15 Canadian dollars, and that was actually in the nice condition. It comes with a frog pin usually that holds the stem of the flower, but it's a very hard find, and something that we call ikebana vase. And on the wood aisle, I found this cute bowl which is almost unused, and it has no scratches on that, and that looks like a cheese wheel. Also available on Crate and Barrel for about $139. And after that, I found this funky vase. I think I showed you the same in the Christmas thrifting as well. This time I could find similar type of vase on Crate and Barrel, and that looks pretty amazing when serving the drinks for about $44.95. I found another bud vase which is like exactly round. It's so hard to hold upon that unless you have a weight in the vase that keeps it in a place. It's the same round shape that you just have to do a little bit of paint job like a baking soda hack or spray paint, but it's also available on a good base for like $33. And when you visit the thrift stores, you may find like on the top shelves, you may find this random vases, like random glass vases in a ribbed or patterned, that you can make something like this, which is also available on a Western for $74.99. All you have to do is just a spray paint. I also found this vase is also available on Western. Just rub a little bit of mud on that and it will give you the vintage look. I found this glass vase, I would say big wine glass, which is also a pot available on Western for $92 for a set of 4. I also found this big handle mug. I'm not really sure why didn't I make a purchase. I so liked it. And this is also available on Made for like $40, 40 US dollars. All of the thrift stores now have their seasonal decors on the sale. I went straight up to the next thrift store, Salvation Army. That's my favorite one. It's so well organized. It has the random sections for like red, green, blue, yellow aisle. So even if it's scattered, it doesn't make you feel anxious when finding things. On my first aisle, I could find this blue ceramic berry basket for $2.99, and pretty much the same type of basket is available on Crate and Barrel for $11.95 for a single one. My second Japanese vase find was this, also available on Nordic Nest for like $58.50. Lastly, I found this Christmas decor, which is also available on Vestel. All you have to do is the paint job, and for like $30 you can go to $3. These Umbra candle holders are so hard to find. They are $30 on Etsy. They don't sell it on website anymore, but I got it for $4 for 2 of them. I didn't buy it though, I'm not sure why. Lastly, they have this large book section in which I selected few books because they were on 50% off on that day, and I'm just gonna put it on my coffee table. I'm not gonna read it. And yes, that was my trip for the day. It was pretty I enjoyed it a lot, and I hope you've enjoyed it too. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you've enjoyed. Please don't forget to leave your review under the comment section, because that's gonna help me to make the content that you would like to watch. So once again, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the channel, because that's gonna help me to create my YouTube community. So thank you, and I will see you in the next one.